are going to transplant, that's how we call it in Cameroon, but we're gonna grow these habanero peppers, which just means move them from these containers to the ground, to my raised beds. That's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. You can start your peppers from seeds if you know what you're doing, but if you are a beginner gardener, I highly recommend that you go to your local hardware store, aka Walmart or HEB or Home Depot, and get you the seedlings. I have manure, the chicken compost that I got from the store the other day, which I'm going to use to just add nutrients to the soil. I'm also going to add something, let me show you. I'm also going to be adding Epsom salt. This really helps add magnesium to the soil. So if you have plants that have been yellowing, probably they're deficient in magnesium, and this helps. I will add a couple of tablespoons to the hole that I will dig to plant the peppers in. So let's get to work. Gloves for this one, because I'm gonna be messing with compost, with chicken manure, okay? So we wanna make a hole. As you can see, the soil is not the best. You can use other tools to make a hole. Now I'm going to add that chicken compost. Maybe 3 scoops. And then I'm gonna mix it up with the soil. Two tablespoons of my Epsom salt. Water it. Now we're ready to transplant. I'll show you. So this is the plant. I'm gonna take my hands, open like this, put it here, okay, grab the pot, flip it upside down, loosen it up a little. Now I'm gonna pull it out just like so. It's time to put it in the hole. Wish me luck. Alright, we want to take this, put it somewhere. So what is this? There you go. And then I like to cage my peppers. I'll show you how I cage my peppers. Hello everybody, I'm going to be harvesting my habanero peppers today. I have a lot more ripe peppers. Let me show you. Look at all of this. And then see the ones I planted in the containers. They're all turning bright orange. I like to leave my peppers to ripen on the vine because I like the heat. You harvest them green, they will not be that hot. I like the intense heat and the flavor, so I leave the peppers to get really ripe on the vine. And so I'm going to harvest them today, and I wanted to share with you the best way to harvest your habanero peppers. We're going to cut about midway from the stem with my shears like that, just like that. Okay, let's cut this one right here. Like that. That's the best way. You can plug them again with your hands, but you risk destroying the purpose. So habanero peppers take about 100 days from transplant to ripe. I planted these around mid-March, and today is June the 12th. And I'm in zone 9, as you know.